For this healthy chocolate dip, all you'll need is 1 avocado. Yes, you heard that right. The natural creaminess and healthy fats of avocado is what gives this dip its silky smooth lusciousness without the need for any dairy. If you haven't come across this technique of using avocados in a sweet dessert, just trust the process. This recipe can be adjusted if you want to make a thick, creamy, vegan, also healthy version of chocolate mousse. In the past, I've even created an avocado-based chocolate frosting to ice a multi-layered chocolate cake. A more basic introduction to using avocados in something sweet is to add it to your fruit smoothies or frozen banana ice cream. It is a game changer for the consistency, and as avocado tends to have a pretty plain neutral flavor, it won't overpower it in any way. Avocados happen to be a great source of beta-carotene, magnesium, and vitamin E. On top of that, you're getting gut-healthy fiber that's great for digestion, and healthy fats that play a role in keeping the cardiovascular system in great condition. So, to make this dip, all you have to do is blend the avocado with some cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, soy milk, vanilla extract, and rice syrup. I will leave the full ingredient list and quantities in the description below. As always, you can make little substitutions here and there. For example, any type of plant-based milk will do, such as oat milk or almond milk. To sweeten the dip, you can also use maple syrup, date syrup, or a couple of pitted medjool dates if that is what you have on hand. If you want to move beyond vanilla flavor, you can play around with mint or cinnamon, or even something nutty like peanut or pistachio. Once all your ingredients are in the blender, go ahead and blend until you get a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency, making sure there are no lumps. I served my dip with some dark chocolate shavings and alongside some dippable snacks such as fresh fruit, pretzels, and crackers. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you give the chocolate dip a try. Let me know in the comments below if you use avocado in sweet recipes as well. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!